Hey everyone, welcome back. We do lots of product reviews here on this channel, show off new products, new tools, like to inspect vehicles and show you what goes through our shop and what's going on at FTA. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and you love our content. Look at used wash soap, Red Knot Super Drying Towel. So first things first, this is a big white box, just has the Griot's tape on it, really clean, really nice. I sent in my 6-inch Griot's Boss polisher about 2 weeks ago. Same time as I sent in my Rupes polisher, it had kind of died, started making a lot of noise, so I submitted for a repair order from Rupes, and Griot's had just sent me a paper to fill out and throw in the box and send it down to their facility. So it's been 2 weeks. I have not heard from Rupes yet on the condition. I've sent in a lot of polishers to them in the past, but haven't really had any issues. They've sent me back a polisher, paid the $95 to $350 to repair it. Not a big deal. They replace all the broken stuff on it, which is nice. But today I got this box and it showed up and they hadn't even sent me anything or called and asked me if I wanted to pay to repair or replace the polisher. But I know they've got a lifetime warranty. The thing though is that our old Griot's garage polisher, 2 weeks after we got it, we dropped it on the ground from one of our carts and it broke in half. So we've been just using it taped together for a year and a half, and I decided to finally send it in after the backing plate had really worn out and it started to make a lot of weird noise. So polisher had been through a ton, and this I think is a brand new polisher in here. So they sent me another return authorization form. Oh, and this here. It just says the quantity. They sent me a Boss 21. I sent them one, and it was basically just a full exchange at $384. So what? I just got this new polisher. Like even with the retail packaging, that's crazy. I've sent in a lot of Rupes polishers and they have repaired them but charged me kind of an arm and a leg, and I really like the Rupes and I do like this machine, but haven't had to use it a ton just because it's been kind of our backup polisher since it was broken. But I think I'm gonna put this to another test, see how I like it. But this thing is literally brand new. That's crazy. The warranty process for Griot's is insane. You literally fill out this form here, put your information on it, put what was wrong with the polisher, send it in, and they just send you a new one for free 2 weeks later. This thing's like way out of any kind of warranty period, but really cool to see a company do that. I think there's a lot behind that, possibly just that these machines might be relatively cheap to replace versus just repairing them and having a bunch of techs on staff. So maybe that's the way they go with it. But we're going to show you guys in the next few videos a little bit of testing on this polisher, the volume of it, the smoothness, try it out with the Americana pads and tell you what we think. So thanks for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Love to throw out lots of informative content on these machines and products that we use. So thanks for watching and have a good day.